Hi friends, just now I'm going to show you how to change the screen guard for the iPhone 7. This is iPhone 7. Just open the pack. This is a screen guard for the iPhone 7. This is iPhone 7 screen guard. Just clean the iPhone 7. This part is fully need to clean with the nice tissue or wet tissue or something like that. Clean it properly and remove all the dust with any masking tape or something. Then just peel off the plastic from the screen guard. Then it's very simple. Just carefully just check it. There is any dust on the iPhone 7. Just see this one. See this place. Yeah, just the home button. Yeah, check the home button first. Then the screen here. I mean the speaker place. Like this place. Okay. Here is like this. Just fix it properly. ശിപ്പിച്ച് ഒരു ഓടിയിരുന്നു